Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop or prevent people from posting on your Facebook timeline on the Facebook app on your Android or iOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon at the top right. You want to go down and select Settings and Privacy, and then select the Settings button. Scroll down on this page underneath Audience and Visibility and select Profile and Tagging. And now that we are on here, you want to select where it says who can post to your profile. Click inside of here, and you can select either Friends or Only Me, so you can do one or the other, whatever your preference is. And then you would select Save to save it, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.